which is to buy low and sell high.
Yeah.
And I want to say something here because you're like, well, no, duh, right? Well, in reality, the opposite happens despite how, simple this seems. It's really human psychology.
It is.
Yeah.
Precisely because you are FOMOing, right? Then you're like, no, I buy now. Okay, now. And then, boom, next second, seriously, next second, it has happened to me. I'm sure it happened to you at some point. It just dumps, the market dumps, right? Because the price action came to a point, right, that everyone was expecting to sell. And you're, I'm sorry, I was the idiot buying, right? So I provided a liquidity for these people to get the profits and bang. So that's one thing, you're right. But also, it's also really important when is low? When the markets start trending downwards, and you wait for a low, and you think that's the lowest, but no, it just goes lower. And then you buy on this one, and it keeps going lower. So it is quite an art in a science to know when is the low and to buy low, and when is the high, and not always be looking for the highest high.
That is very true, yes. And there's no magic formula to be like, okay, this is a low, this is a high.
No.
It's really a mix of technical and fundamental analysis. There's no right or wrong. And this is where, trading and investing gets kind of fun and tricky at the same time.
Yeah.
But the thing is, hey, as long as you have a plan, you tell yourself, based on what I think, right? I think this is going to be the low. Mark that area, and you can always dollar cost average, buy around that. So if it goes lower, great. I get even more discount than I thought. Just keep buying.
So actually, it's really, the psychology is also that it's so low. Maybe it's going to go lower. Maybe it's BTC will be proven scam. Maybe I'm going to lose all my money. And instead of taking the opportunity, most people don't buy that low. Just the savvy ones, just the ones that have a plan. They actually keep the money, wait, they trust their plan, they trust what they are doing, and they buy at the lowest point, regardless of the anxiety that maybe all crypto is going to disappear tomorrow. So it is very difficult to actually execute on this principle.
Exactly, and just the opposite as well. We say sell high. We don't say sell at the highest. Why? Because you can never ever time the top, and do not try to do that.
No, no.
Because you will not hit it, right?
Yeah,
unless if you get lucky, which could happen, but no guarantees.
It can happen, of course, but it will be pure luck.
Yeah.
Pure luck.